McDonald's presents a Happy Meal with the Looney Tunes. They're normal, cartoon characters. But while at McDonald's, they transform into Superbugs, Wonder Pig, Taz Splash, and Bat Duck.
And all we did was change our clothes.
And now your kids get one of 4 Looney Tunes toys. Each one comes with its very own Snap-on costume with every Happy Meal you buy. They're proud, brave, and willing to face danger.
Huh? I don't recall that stipulation in the contract.
Super Looney Tunes Happy Meal, only at McDonald's.
If ever there was a perfect time to save on a Mazda, it's now. While your Mazda dealer's clearing out all the 91s. Get a Mazda 626 now. And get $1,500 cash back from Mazda or 5.9% financing. The time is right. Get to the Mazda year-end clearance. You better hurry before it gets away.
At your Eastern New England Mazda dealer now.
Al gets the chance of a lifetime.
Going to judge a beauty contest.
And makes the most of it.
Bring on the babe!
Monday at 7:30 on Fox 25.
So, Sammy, who called the 800 number? Bobby.
Called the 800 number, and I told him I had a job and I threw fish.
What does it take to be a big league fish thrower? Gotta be a natural. What kind of fish we have here?
This is a red snapper.
Key salmon.
Paperfish.
You better throw or catch it.
Better throw it.
Eyes closed. Use the force. So you like fish? I hate fish, man.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
People eat that?
Sure.
Yeah. Fly button?
My fly's buttoned.
This holiday season, join Fivel with the voices of Dom DeLuise,
Cat got your tongue?
Amy Irving,
You can be whatever you want.
John Cleese,
It appears to be a young pioneer.
and Jimmy Stewart.
You want to intimidate someone, give them the lazy eye.
Steven Spielberg presents An American Tale. Fivel Goes West. Rated G. Starts Friday at theaters everywhere.
Thursday, Moe's Tavern gets a special visit from Aerosmith. On an all-new Simpsons, Thursday on Fox.
When Brandon breaks up with Emily, things get dangerous.
This isn't about a broken heart. This is about a fatal attraction.
An all-new 90210, Thursday on Fox.
There I go, there I go, there I go, there I go. Pretty baby, you are the soul who snaps my control. Such a funny thing, but every time you're near me, I never can behave. You give me a smile and then I'm wrapped up in your magic. There's music all around me, crazy music, music that keeps calling me so very close to you.
To the novice, pleated pants can present a particularly pressing problem. But ladies, before you throw your hands up in despair, let's try the simple technique. Place the tip of the iron at the top of the pleat closest to the zipper, like so. Then pressing firmly but gently, hipping and hopping, pressing all the way down, never pushing open the pleat. And to prevent puckering, always press on the bias.
What were you watching when Michael Jackson taught Homer Simpson how to moonwalk? TV Guide. Don't watch TV in the dark.
The holidays are back, and so is Mac.
Oh, come on.
Only this time,
Have you ever kissed anyone? Gross.
it's personal.
Just do it.
My Girl. Rated PG at theaters November 27th.
Rock's Party poops out.
You sure know how to throw one hell of a bash, right?
If he plans my weight, I'll be the life of the party.
Rock, right after In Living Color tonight. Tonight.
Detective Head. I never dreamed it could be like this.
Whether it's loving the ladies.
Time to go to work. Let's roll.
Or chasing down bad guys. The head detective's on top of it. In Living Color, an action-packed episode. Next.
These are the new 92 Ford Escort hatchbacks. Either one is now just $99.99 with air conditioning, power steering, stereo, rear window defroster, and more. This is the all-new Escort four-door sedan. You can get it with all those options, too, for $99.99. Same goes for the roomy Escort wagon. Why are we putting just one price on all these option-packed models? Well, we only have one of these signs. See your Ford dealer and get a new way to get a new car.
stars, and you'll find...
Come on, everybody, sing along.
Home alone, trick them every way. All the fun it is to see two burgers get found there.
Home Alone, the Christmas gift of the year. $24.98 or $5 less with Pepsi rebate.
Now, wasn't that fun?
Rated PG.
Forget the limits of ordinary basketball. You've entered the Nike flight dimension. Examine, if you will, Scottie Pippen, about to discover the power of his flight shoes in a time warp. And so, history gets a lesson in the flight dimension.
Son, you could make hundreds of dollars a year in professional basketball.
Dave Thomas travels the world over looking for new foods for Wendy's.
Bon appetit. Excuse me, is this what I ordered?
Tonight we feast, but first we dance! And it's not easy.
Boy, I sure could go for a Big Dave's Deluxe.
Eats back a big quarter-pound of fresh beef, cheese, 3 strips of bacon, sauteed onions. The works, only at Wendy's.
Which way to El Habib?
Come in for another Big Dave's Deluxe today.
Tonight, the Bundys go Hollywood.
Possibly, just possibly. I might have sat in the same toilet seat as Bob Hope.
And all new Married with Children, tonight on Fox.
When comedian Paul Rodriguez got LA's rival gangs together, he knew anything could happen. He was right.
And they said this couldn't be done. Of course, we did have you go through metal detectors because we ain't stupid either.
Paul Rodriguez and Public Enemy.
My favorite show on television is Cops, because that's the only time you get to see your relatives in underwear being arrested.
Paul Rodriguez Crossing Gang Lines. A special presentation next Sunday.
Peace!
McDonald's presents a Happy Meal with the Looney Tunes. They're normal, cartoon characters. But while at McDonald's, they transform into Superbugs, Wonder Pig, Taz Flash, and Bat Duck.
And all we did was change our clothes.
And now your kids get one of 4 Looney Tunes toys. Each one comes with its very own Snap-on costume with every Happy Meal you buy. They're proud, brave, and willing to face danger.
Huh? I don't recall that stipulation in the contract.
Super Looney Tunes Happy Meal, only at McDonald's.
Where do you find all this? If you said the Bahamas, you're not only right, you're close.
See your travel agent or call the Delta Vacation Center. Your dollar goes further in the country that's close.
It was more like a friendly date. It was more friends than a romantic, love connection or something.
Hey.
Oh.
Monday at 11:30 on Fox 25.
The first annual Billboard Music Awards with superstars like Janet Jackson and live performances by Phil Collins and Hammer. On Monday, December 9th, Fox does it again, announcing the 1991 Billboard Music Awards. No boring speeches, no show tunes, no runners-up. Just the hottest names in music, performing the hits that made them #1. In fact, if they didn't hit the top of the charts, you won't see them on the Billboard Music Awards. Hitmakers like CNC Music Factory, LL Cool J, Big Audio Dynamite 2, Queensryche, but this is only the beginning. Get ready for live performances from Genesis, John Mellencamp, and Color Me Bad, with special appearances by Garth Brooks, Young MC, Mariah Carey, Bryan Adams, Alan Jackson, R.E.M., Van Halen, and a few surprises. The most successful names in music on one stage for one night only. This is your invitation to the 1991 Billboard Music Awards. Monday, December 9th, only on Fox.
kind of car is this?
A Sentra.
Would you consider selling it?
No.
Would you sell it for $150,000? Okay. $250.
$250, sir, your change.
The Nissan Sentra GXE. Because rich guys shouldn't have all the fun.
I'll borrow my mother's earrings, her scarf, but my mother's tampons? No way. I found new Playtex Ultimates cardboard applicator tampons. Great protection, plus a curved cardboard applicator. Playtex Ultimates. It's not your mother's tampon.
I have a confession. I have no idea how to choose a long-distance calling plan. I don't have to. Sprint does it for me. They keep track of when and where I call and actually let me know which calling plan will save me the most money. They do all that just because I'm a Sprint Priority customer. And I thought it was because I was their spokesperson.
Thursday, Homer invents a new cocktail.
Hey, this drink is delicious, and my phlegm feels looser.
And it's making Moe's Tavern famous.
How about a warm welcome for Aerosmith?
But when Moe steals the recipe, will he get all the glory?
We're prepared to offer you $1 million.
Find out on an all-new Simpsons. Then Otis Drexell gets a surprise visit from his sweet little mother-in-law on Drexell's Class.
Don't forget your dessert.
A holiday special Thursday.
When Brandon breaks up with Emily, things get dangerous.
And this isn't about a broken heart. This is about a fatal attraction.
An all-new 90210, Thursday on Fox.